Let's go.
Yeah. Gonna give it a tap, and hopefully she'll split. It's gonna be
All
really
out of the same bowl
Yeah.
themselves. Oh,
Nerve-wracking.
nerve-wracking.
Nerve-wracking. Oh.
It's happening.
Yep.
yeah.
Yep.
It only went uphill. Anyway.
Let's have a look.
Oh,
Wow.
oh, it just looks so beautiful.
Yeah, it is beautiful.
Oh, that is gorgeous.
Oh, look at the red.
Oh, stunning. That couldn't have gone better. That's just beautiful.
But you wouldn't have got those in yellow light.
Yeah.
And look at
No.
this honey top there. 'cause this
And
is
then it's
like-
running through the, yeah.
That's the part that's tortured us.
Well, that's
Why you can't judge a book by its cover. If that's not black, I'll eat my hat.
that red at the end.
It's just stunning.
Oh,
And the purple.
oh,
But
beautiful.
that's very black, dark body tone. It's beautiful. It's stunning in real life. Just glows in the dark again.
Sure does.
This is a perfect example of Mother Nature at its best. It's raw and beautiful. Check this out.
What? Oh, and it goes, you know, it just goes all the way around. And
It
check
just
out
looks
that blue.
like glow in the dark stuff. I mean, I cannot describe it. It looks better in real life. It just knocks you right out.
Yeah.
And I couldn't cut it for love of me, but it is so beautiful, the colour. It's astonishing.
Just stunning.
I totally should have a bar.
Okay. So where's it run, this bar?
Well, you keep running here,
Yeah.
and then clashing into
The end.
that one.
Okay.
I'm just going to give that one a tap.
It's gone, but where did it go?
Did you go
Where we needed it
should
to?
go? Yeah. Not going to give up yet.
Maybe? Yep. Okay.
It's nice to us. It's very nice to us.
Ooh.
Yeah. Look at the purple and the pink.
Oh, my favourites.
Look how
Different it is from one side to the other.
bars, two different bars all together.
Oh,
Just beautiful.
amazing to get all of that out. I know, it is. So